In this guide, we will go over the ins and outs of selling your yearbooks to your parents and staff. Right now, we are in the main homepage of our yearbook project. To navigate to the New Sales section, click the Sell drop-down on the navigation bar. To go directly to your yearbook sales, click Manage Yearbook Sales to take you to the online sales dashboard. There's a lot to unpack here, so let's go over each section. You can see how many books you have sold, both online and from in-school sales here, under Total Yearbook Revenue. Your revenue from all yearbook sales will show on the top, showing income earned from online sales, as well as the total online service fee deduction. Please contact us by using the email or number below for any questions about fees or payments related to your store. Next, you'll see how many ads you've sold, as well as the revenue generated, just like yearbook sales. To learn more about ads, click the link below to take you to the ad guide. If you scroll down a little, you can see an infographic that details all of the same information, as well as take a quick peek at your sales compared to last year. Let's begin setting up our yearbook store. Click the Set Up Online Sales button on the left to begin. The first question it will ask you is if you want to turn the store on. Let's click Yes to move on. It will also ask if you want to allow post-approval sales, which allows parents to buy books from us after you approve your books. All revenue from this option will go to Entourage, but if you want to gain additional revenue after approval, stick around and we'll show you how. Let's hit Continue to take us to the next step. It will now ask you how much you would like to sell your books for, as well as a deadline for when your store closes. If you scroll down a bit, you can see you have the option to set up to 2 more deadlines for your store, with each deadline changing the price per book. This is great if you want to entice people to buy the book early by offering a discount on the books before the deadline. Lastly, we have book inventory. Inventory can be done by ordering extra books that have not been purchased by parents yet. By clicking Yes, it will ask you how many books you wish to continue selling on the online store while we work on printing your books. The money earned from inventory goes to you, not Entourage. It's very important to not oversell books you don't have, so be sure to enter the right number of books in your inventory. If you don't want to worry about this, just select No and hit Continue. In this step, it will ask you where you are shipping your books to. Most schools have the default set to ship to school with no other options. If you want to know about other options we offer, please contact your sales rep or call the number below. You can enable certain upgrades to your store, such as nameplates. These upgrades do not cost you any money, since the parents are the ones who pay for their own upgrades. You can check or uncheck these upgrades to allow them or hide them from your store. Let's hit Continue one last time. Here we have your product information. You can enter a product description by typing in the box, and ask parents for more information when they order books such as grade information, teacher name, or create your own. Lastly, we have the product icon. You can pick one of the defaults or upload your own image to show up on the school store. Once you're all done, click Save and your store is open for business. To see how your store looks, click the Link Home button or go to Sell and click Setup Link. You'll notice a blue URL, which is the link that takes your parents directly to your school store. Before sending this link to your parents, you can also customize this link to make it more personal. You can click Set Up Dedicated URL to change how the link looks. You can type in your school name, abbreviation, or the year of the book, as long as it is distinguishable from your previous school store links. To see more about purchasing a book as a parent, click the link in this guide to take you to the other help page. To access your book sales, click the Track Yearbook Sales button on the side. In here, you can see who has ordered your books so far from the online store. If someone paid you via check or money order, and you needed to enter a yearbook sale manually, you can click the Create New In-School Entry button at the top and and fill out all of the information regarding your sale. This helps keep track of any money you make outside of online sales. If you look at the top, you can see the color coding for each type of sale. Yellow sales are late online sales, which could be post-approval sales or inventory sales. Light yellow is any sale entered manually after the store closes. White sales are regular online sales, and blue sales are manually entered sales. You can also sort sales by order number, name, grade, and more, as well as download your sales list. Thanks for watching, and be sure to contact us for any questions and suggestions. See you next time.